Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to create a watermark logo in Canva. Before we get started, please like the video and subscribe as this really helps me out. So from your Canva homepage, we're going to click onto the templates tab. Then I'm just going to type in the search bar watermark, and a few different options will come up. You can choose what type of watermark you're creating. So is it for YouTube, like video, or is it just a logo you want to create for your business, a watermark logo? So I'm just going to click on that one for the tutorial. And remember that you can filter the watermark logos by style. Have a think about what type of business you have. Is it bold, professional, modern? So you can click on one of those if you want to further filter out the different templates. So I'm just going to have a little scroll down. As you can see, these are watermark logos. So obviously, whatever one you pick, you can further edit with your own business name and colours. So I'm going to click on, which one shall I click on? So I quite like this one. So I'm going to click on customize this template. So from here, you can go ahead and add in your business name. So maybe the name of my store is Terry's. Then I can edit that text a little bit so you can see the bottom text. So Terry's Organic Store. You can further go and edit the colour and add in new images. If you don't like that image, click on elements. Maybe you want like a different type of vegetable, something like that. And you can go through and hunt for different graphics, or you can use photos, whatever you want. So basically go ahead, edit the colours, the text as well. Maybe if you have a different colour for your business, you could add your colour hex codes in there. Edit as much as you can to get your watermark exactly as you like it. So when you're happy, we're just going to give our watermark logo a name. So I'm just going to give it watermark. And I'm going to download it. So when you download your watermark logo, you generally want to have a transparent background. So if you have a coloured background, it's going to look slightly strange when you add it to projects. So definitely when you click on download, click on transparent background, as this will make your watermark logo look a lot better when you add it to images and videos. Then I'm just going to click on download. Then we're going to see what our watermark looks like. So I've got another design here. So I'm going to upload my watermark and add it to the image to see what it looks like. Of course, if you don't like it, you can go back and edit a little bit more to get your watermark just how you like it. So you can see it's just the image and the text, which is quite nice. Let me see if I can edit so I can make it a little bit lighter for that design. And you can make it smaller, bigger. You can move it to a different area on your design, move it about. And I think that looks pretty good. What you can also do, and what I would recommend with your watermark as well, is editing the transparency, because you don't want it to be too overbearing on the picture. It's just something to show that the design is branded. It depends on what colour your watermark is. Some watermarks you might want a lower transparency, some you might want it a little bit higher so you can still see it. So this one looks quite good, around sort of like 63, 64, I think. And there's my watermark finished. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.